Sometimes you need to eat an entire cucumber. Let me show you the best way to do it. Start by slicing your cucumber. A little bit of red onion, a clove of garlic minced, plain Greek yogurt, feta cheese, a sprig of fresh dill, a bit of salt and pepper. Now the secret ingredient, Amoretti Mediterranean spice almond butter. Gluten-free, no added sugar, and packed with flavor. And Amoretti premium extra virgin olive oil infused with Kalamata olives. This is my favorite olive oil. Now we shake. Now we try. That looks so good. Look at that. So good. Shout out to Logan the cucumber guy for teaching us all that we need to be eating more cucumbers. I hope you guys give this recipe a try.